Prime Day 2026 just dropped some of the best prices of the year on tactical gear, and if you're not watching, you're losing money. We've pulled 40 deals across knives, multi-tools, lights, and more that are genuinely worth your attention. Every single link is in the video description below. Go grab them before prices bounce back. Amazon Prime Day knife, blade, and accessories deals. Number 40, Spyderco Paramilitary 2 folding pocket knife was $198.75, now $159.54, 20% off. Few knives at this price level match the Paramilitary 2 for edge retention and ergonomics. The CPM S45 VN blade holds a sharp edge through hard use, and the compression lock is one of the strongest folding mechanisms on the market. 4-position clip and ambidextrous deployment make it as practical as it is premium. Number 39, Benchmade Griptilian knife was $175, now $139, 21% off. American-made and designed to last a lifetime, the Griptilian is a benchmark for everyday carry knives. CPM S30V steel gives it exceptional rust resistance and cutting performance that holds up across daily tasks. The ambidextrous axis lock and reversible clip make it effortless to deploy and carry however you prefer. Number 38, CJRB Tiger's Pocket Knife was $59.99, now $49.98, 17% off. That wide cleaver style blade isn't just for looks. AR RPM 9 steel handles serious cutting tasks while resisting corrosion better than most steels at this price. The layered G10 handle keeps it lightweight without sacrificing grip, and the flipper opens it cleanly one-handed. A standout EDC option for anyone who wants an edge that performs. Number 37, Kershaw Clash Black Serrated Pocket Knife was $42.23, now $31.99, 24% off. Kershaw's speed-safe system makes one-handed deployment fast and reliable, even under pressure. The partially serrated 8CR13 MOV blade handles both clean cuts and tougher rope or cord work with ease. With a liner lock, built-in flipper, and reversible clip, it's one of the most capable everyday carry knives at this price point. Number 36, Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife was $35, now $29.74, 15% off. Civivi packs serious quality into a compact package with the Mini Praxis. D2 steel holds an edge well and takes a sharp, clean sharpening. The ceramic ball-bearing pivot opens with a single smooth flick, and the slim G10 handle rides flat in the pocket. A practical choice for hiking, camping, or daily carry when you want something tight and reliable. Number 35, Smith & Wesson Benji Folding Knife was $28.99, now $15.15, 48% off. Dual-purpose design makes the Benji stand out. It functions as a money clip, bottle opener, and Tanto folding knife in one lightweight package. Ultra Glide technology and a finger flipper give it smooth, one-handed deployment, and the frame lock holds firm under use. Solid everyday carry that punches well above its price. Number 34, Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA 24S Folding Knife was $24.99, now $11.81. Half the price of most comparable knives, the SWA 24S packs a serrated stainless steel blade and durable aluminum handle into a slim, pocket-friendly folding design. Ambidextrous thumb knobs, a finger flipper, and a liner lock make it fast to access and secure in hand. An easy pick for anyone wanting reliable carry on a tight budget. Number 33, Grandway Tactical Survival Knife was $23.99, now $14.99, 38% off. Few fixed blades under $15 offer this much knife. A 6.7-inch partially serrated 440C blade, full tank construction, rubber handle, and nylon sheath. It handles rope cutting, food prep, and general campsite work without fuss. Keep one in the car, pack, or emergency kit, and you'll always have a backup blade ready. Number 32, Reet Flix Blade Knife was $25.99, now $16.35, 37% off. D2 steel on a full tang fixed blade at this price is a deal worth paying attention to. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a locked-in grip for hunting, survival tasks, and camp work, and the Kydex sheath clips securely to your belt for consistent access. A practical outdoor carry that delivers premium materials without the premium price. Number 31, Dragon Creek Tactical Fixed Blade Knife was $39.99, now $26.79, 33% off. Stonewash finish D2 steel and a full tang G10 handle make the Dragon Creek a field-ready fixed blade that looks as good as it performs. The adjustable Kydex sheath gives you multiple carry positions depending on your setup, and the anti-slip grip stays secure even in wet or dirty conditions. A solid all-around outdoor knife that covers camping, survival, and utility tasks. Number 30, Smith & Wesson 9-inch HRT double-edged boot knife was $35.99, now $16.71, 54% off. Designed specifically for discreet carry and fast access, the HRT boot knife rides securely in its belt or boot sheath without printing or shifting. The 4.7-inch high-carbon stainless blade and rubber-wrapped handle with an integral handguard give you confident control in any grip. At over 50% off, this is serious hardware for serious everyday carry pricing. Number 29, 1999 Smith & Wesson SWHRT3BF fixed blade knife was $35.99, now $15.85, 56% off. Over half off on a full-tang Smith & Wesson fixed blade with a grippy TPR handle and quick access nylon sheath. That's a deal that's hard to walk past. The finger guards and thumb press add active control during cutting tasks, and the 3.5-inch high-carbon blade is compact enough for concealed carry without sacrificing capability. A smart backup blade for any kit. Number 28 Grandway machete with saw 25-inch was $39.90, now $28.89, 28% off. Yard cleanup, trail cutting, and campsite work all become easier when your machete also has a saw spine. The 25-inch 440C stainless blade slices through brush efficiently, and the serrated edge handles small branches that a plain edge would struggle with. No-slip rubber handle and heavy-duty sheath round it out as a proper outdoor tool, not just a novelty. Number 27 Reach 16-inch machete with saw was $24.99, now $17.99, 28% off. Compact enough to throw in a day pack, but capable enough for real yard and trail work, this Reach machete handles chopping and sawing in one multi-purpose blade. The 420 steel construction and no-slip rubber handle keep it functional through extended use, and the included sheath protects it during storage and transport. A practical, no-fuss outdoor tool at a fair price. Number 26, Suprock Survival Shovel Tactical Shovel Axe was $79.99, now $56.99, 29% off. 24 functions in one folding tool sounds like marketing until you actually count them. Shovel, axe, saw, hoe, knife, compass, fire igniter, and whistle all built into a high-carbon steel tool that folds down for easy packing. The adjustable handle and carrying pouch make it a legitimate bug-out bag or vehicle emergency kit upgrade. Number 25, Jukmo Tactical 1.5-inch Nylon Web Belt was $29.98, now $14.98, 50% off. Half price on a tactical belt with a quick-release aluminum alloy buckle and stretched nylon webbing that's actually built to last. It adjusts easily for a secure, comfortable fit during hiking, range days, or everyday wear without stiffness or bulk. The included gift box also makes this an easy grab for someone in your life who needs a functional, well-made belt. Number 24, Barska Black Hawk 10x42 binoculars was $139.99, now $84.99, 39% off. Waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, these Barska binos are built for the field, not a shelf. Back 4 prisms and multi-coated optics deliver genuinely clear, bright detail at distance for hunting or bird watching, and the rubber armor keeps them protected through rough use. At nearly 40% off, this is a strong entry point for quality optics without spending flagship money. Number 23, Maelstrom Tactical Backpack 40 liter was $42.99, now $33.99, 21% off. 40 liters of organized carry in a 900D polyester shell with reinforced stitching and mole webbing, the Maelstrom handles hiking, travel, gym, and everyday use equally well. Multiple compartments keep tools, first aid gear, and a laptop separated and accessible, and the ergonomic straps make heavier loads manageable. A genuinely versatile pack at a price that's hard to argue with. Number 22, Maelstrom Hydration Hiking Backpack was $39.99, now $31.38, 22% off. Trail ready and commute friendly, this 20-liter hydration pack comes with a 2L BPA-free bladder, insulated compartment, and a high-flow bite valve right out of the box. Breathable padding, adjustable chest and waist straps, reflective details, and a built-in whistle make it a smart carry for cycling, running, hiking, or festival days. Everything you need to stay hydrated on the move without overpaying. Number 21, 511 Tactical Rush 12 2.0 Backpack was $110, now $77, 30% off. 511 makes some of the best respected duty and carry gear on the market, and the Rush 12 2.0 earns that reputation in a 24-liter package. Water repellent 1050D nylon, dedicated laptop and eyewear compartments, mole webbing, and contoured shoulder straps make it a dependable pack for commutes, range bags, travel, and everyday carry. 30% off on 511 gear doesn't happen often. Worth grabbing while it's there. Amazon Prime Day Multitools and EDC gear deals. Number 20, Leatherman Wave Plus 18-in-1 Multi-Tool was $129.95, now $103.95, 20% off. The Wave Plus has been the gold standard full-size multi-tool for years, and for good reason. 18 tools, replaceable wire cutters, saw, scissors, and a ruler, all in a stainless steel package that weighs under 9 ounces. Whether it's home projects, outdoor tasks, or a quick fix on the road, it handles whatever you throw at it without hesitation. A classic that earns its place in any kit. Number 19, Leatherman Rebar Multi-Tool was $99.95, now $79.95, 20% off. Leatherman's 25-year warranty alone makes the rebar worth the buy. Add 17 all-locking tools, replaceable wire cutters, and a bill that handles daily job site and outdoor use, and you've got a no-compromise pocket toolkit. Pliers, knives, screwdrivers, saw, file, and openers all lock independently for safer single-hand use. Compact, rugged, and designed to outlast you. Number 18, Weetall's 27-in-1 Multi-Tool was $58, now $45.97, 21% off. 27 functions including a fire starter, hammer, window breaker, and whistle muscle makes the Multitools a legitimate emergency multi-tool, not just a convenience tool. Corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction, a self-locking design, and a durable sheath make it reliable enough for daily carry and survival scenarios alike. If you want one tool that genuinely covers everything, this one comes close. Number 17. Gerber Gear Suspension 2-in-1 Multiplier. Was $69.99, now $47.80, 32% off. Butterfly opening and a locking mechanism make the Gerber suspension fast to deploy and secure in use. Two things that matter when you're mid-task with one hand occupied. Needle nose pliers, wire cutters, blades, screwdrivers, scissors, can and bottle openers are all packed into a stainless steel design with a sheath and lanyard hole. A dependable workhorse for camping, survival, or general carry. Number 16. Victronics Huntsman Swiss Army Knife was $52, now $36.72, 29% off. Swiss-made quality with 15 functions and a form factor that fits any pocket. The Huntsman remains one of the most trusted pocket knives ever made. Large and small blades, a wood saw, scissors, can opener, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and wire stripper cover everything from campsite tasks to quick everyday fixes. Decades of reliability packed into a classic that never goes out of style. Number 15. CU Pro Multi-Tool Pocket Knife was $29.99, now $19.99, 33% off. CU Pro includes a 9-in-1 screwdriver bit kit along with a knife, pliers, can opener, and bottle opener, which puts it ahead of most multi-tools at this price for actual workshop utility. The black oxide coating adds corrosion resistance and the locking mechanism keeps tools secure during use. A practical compact kit to keep in your bag, car, or toolbox for everyday fixes. Number 14. Gerber Gear Dime 12-in-1 Mini Multi-Tool was $34.99, now $27.19, 22% off. Keychain size with real-world utility, the Gerber Dime packs needle nose pliers, scissors, tweezers, drivers, files, a pocket knife, package opener, and bottle opener into a tool you'll forget is on your keys until you need it. Lightweight stainless steel construction keeps it compact without feeling flimsy, the kind of EDC addition that pays for itself the first time you actually need it. Number 13. Geriatis Carabiner Multi-Tool Knife was $24.99, now $18.96, 24% off. Clip it to a bag strap, key ring, or pack loop and you've got a pocket knife, rope cutter, screwdriver, can opener, bottle opener, and ruler always within reach. The carabiner clip keeps it accessible without taking up pocket space, making it ideal for hiking, camping, survival kits, or daily carry. One of the most practical form factors for a multi-tool at any price. Number 12. Geriatis EDC Pry Bar Multi-Tool was $38.99, now $34.96, 10% off. Pry Bar Multi-Tools solve a specific problem most standard multi-tools don't: package opening, leveraging, and box work. This one adds a bidirectional ratchet screwdriver, wrenches, crowbar, bottle opener, and an everlasting magnetic pen in a stainless steel package that clips into your pocket. A niche but genuinely useful EDC upgrade for mechanics, tradespeople, and gear-oriented daily carry. Number 11. Crank Brothers F15 Multi-Tool was $49.99, now $38.94, 22% off. Cyclists who ride far from trailheads need more than just hex keys. The F15 brings hex wrenches, torques, screwdrivers, spoke wrenches, and a chain tool in a magnetized case that doubles as extra leverage and a bottle opener. Lightweight and compact enough to throw in a jersey pocket, it's the kind of tool you don't appreciate until a mechanical problem hits mid-ride. Number 10. Crank Brothers M19 Multi-Tool was $36.99, now $29.99, 19% off. Covered by a lifetime warranty and weighing just 175 grams, the M19 is the no-excuses bike multi-tool for anyone serious about trail or road riding. Hex wrenches, spoke wrenches, torques, open wrenches, and an 8 to 12-speed chain tool are all there when trailside repairs call for them. Slim enough to disappear into your pack, but capable enough to get you home. Amazon Prime Day lights and hearing protection deals. Number 9. Olight Balder Pro R Tactical Flashlight was $169.95, now $127.46, 25% off. Rail-mounted lights don't get much more capable than Balder Pro R at this size. 1,350 lumens of white light plus a green beam that you can run individually or together via the mode selector ring. Magnetic charging, dual ambidextrous switches, and GL Picatinny compatibility make it a flexible platform upgrade for compact or long barrel setups, built for serious use. Number 8. Olight Warrior X4 Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight was $129.99, now $103.99, 20% off. 630 meters of throw at 2,600 lumens puts the Warrior X4 firmly in the tactical and hunting category. This is a light build for distance, not just illuminating your campsite. Dual charging, programmable modes, a strobe and tactical mode, and an upgraded magnetic tail switch make it versatile for patrols, fieldwork, and home defense. A high-performance light at a Prime Day price. Number 7. Olight Per Run 3 3 rechargeable headlamp was $89.99, now $71.99, 20% off. 3,000 lumens with a proximity sensor and a detachable right-angle flashlight body makes the Per-Run 3 genuinely versatile for hands-free and handheld use in a single light. The red light mode handles low-light navigation and signaling. IP68 waterproof and dustproof construction handles the conditions, and the breathable headband makes extended wear comfortable. A smart upgrade for outdoor work and adventure. Number 6. Olight Arcfeld Ultra EDC flashlight was $119.99, now $95.98, 20% off. 3 light sources and 1 flat pocketable form factor, white LED at 1400 lumens, 900 MW UV, and a green beam make the Arcfeld Ultra unlike any other EDC light on this list. The durable aluminum body and high transparency glass lens keep it premium in hand, and the slim profile means it disappears into a pocket without bulk. A premium carry piece for people who want more from their light. Number 5. Streamlight Stylus Pro USB 350 lumen pen light was $59.99, now $45.93, 23% off. Techs, first responders, and medical staff have relied on the Streamlight Stylus Pro for years, and the USB rechargeable version makes it more practical than ever. 350 lumens and a slim aluminum body pen with IPX4 water resistance, high and low modes, and a nylon holster delivers the kind of EDC lighting that holds up through daily professional use. Reliable, slim, and worth every penny. Number 4. Hotline ZF8313 rechargeable EDC flashlight was $42.99, now $22.08, 49% off. Nearly 50% off on a 2000 lumen EDC light with a magnetic base, RGB side lighting, UV mode, and stepless dimming. This hot light punches well above its new price. The IPX6 waterproof aluminum body, anti-slip clip, and Type-C fast charging make it as practical as it is versatile for car work, camping, job sites, and everyday carry. A standout deal on a well-spec'd utility light. Number 3. Olight i3T EOS Slim EDC flashlight was $17.99, now $12.59, 30% off. Runs on a single AAA battery and clips onto a hat brim, gear strap, or pocket. The Olight i3T EOS is the kind of light you can throw everywhere and forget about it until you need it. IPX8 waterproof dual output with 180 lumens and a double helix grip make it far more capable than its size suggests. The best sub-15 tactical light on this entire list. Number 2. Walker's Razor Slim electronic muff was $40.70, now $30.75, 24% off. Hearing protection that also amplifies ambient sound is a game changer at the range. You stay aware of what's happening around you without sacrificing ear safety. The 23 dB noise reduction rating, slim low profile fit, easy volume control, and audio input jack make these walkers practical for shooting, hunting, outdoor work, and extended sessions. Hard to beat for the price. Number 1. Walker's flexible Bluetooth neckband headset was $79.99, now $61.30, 23% off. Passive hearing protection, Bluetooth audio, and 15 hours of battery life in a flexible neckband with magnetic aluminum earbuds and an EVA carry case. The Walker's neckband covers more ground than most dedicated audio or protection products alone. The 30 NRR rating keeps serious noise out, and multiple foam earbud sizes ensure a proper seal for different ear shapes. A smart pick for range days, commutes, or job sites where ear safety and audio quality both matter. If any of these deals hit for you, don't forget to subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without. We drop tactical gear picks, firearm reviews, and deals worth your money all year long. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll make sure the best deals reach you before they're gone.